Copilot costs money every month. Cursor costs money. Every good AI coding tool seems credit card. But today I am going to show you OpenCode, a free open source AI coding agent that works right inside VS Code. And the best part, we are going to connect it completely free AI model. No credit card, no API bill, nothing. Let's set it up right now. OpenCode is an open source AI coding agent. Think GitHub Copilot, free and way more flexible. It works inside your terminal and VS Code. It supports 75 plus AI providers. Today we will use OpenCode's own built-in provider called Zen, which has three models ready to go. It doesn't just autocomplete, it reads your file, edits your code, and even runs commands. Before we install, make sure we have two things. First, VS Code. If you don't have it, download it from code.visual. Second, Node.js. In your terminal, type node-v. If you see a version number, you are good. Now, let's install OpenCode. Open your terminal in VS Code and run this command. npm install ng OpenCode. I already have installed it. I'm not installing it again. Check if it is installed or not. OpenCode version and should show installed version. Great, you should see the version number. Now launch it. To launch it, we can type OpenCode will launch OpenCode terminal. Now we need to connect a free AI model. OpenCode has its own provider called Zen, and it has three models built. Open your browser, go to opencode.ai, then get started with. So we have to log in with GitHub or Google. I logged in. Once you are in, look for your API key. Just copy. So we can go to API keys and we can see here. We have to copy this and then we will see how to use this. Here is the best part. I didn't add any billing details, no credit card, signed in, and he was right there. So to use this API key, we'll go back to VS Code. In OpenCode terminal, we have to use /connect, which will open list of providers. We will select OpenCode Zen, and we have to paste API key we copied from website and paste here and enter. I already added API keys. Go back, and next part is we can set models, pick our model type. For that we have command models. We can see all the available models. There are all popular models available. We have few free models will use DeepSeek v4 hash. Okay, so let's try demo. Ask create a snake Python. Nice. So agent created. This snake dot code is ready. We can just run this. Running. I just want to add point instead of using in terminal. We have extension of OpenCode, so we can use this extension. I have installed this code extension. Yeah, so we have opened extension. I can see interface and well, using it from terminal. So let's quickly recap what we did. Installed OpenCode with 1 npm. Then we signed in OpenCode Zen, no credit card. We copied our API. Then we connected DeepSeek v4 hash model, and we got real AI coding help vscode for free. If saved your money to smash that, it genuinely helps. Drop a comment below. Which hell are you trying? Next video, I am going to show to use build a complete .NET Web API project. Make sure you are subscribed. See you in next one.